Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the importance of eating raw. If you notice in your day-to-day diet, barely you eat something which is raw. What I meant by telling raw food, raw means anything which is alive. Any food that you eat which cell is alive. It can be fruit, it can be raw vegetable, it can be sprouted nuts or grams. It can be any food but which is in its original or natural form, which is uncooked. When I say about raw food, that is uncooked food. If you notice in your own diet, you will notice that not even once you're eating anything raw. In that way, how you're going to be healthy? Let me tell you, this should be a fundamental sense of eating food. At least one meal you should eat which is raw. You can eat fruits, vegetables, sprouted nut, grams, or anything which is raw, which is alive, which is natural. Then you will see your health will turn into well-being completely. You don't have to believe what I say. You should not go by what I say. Just experiment with yourself and see. Someday in the early morning, in your breakfast, instead of eating cooked food, try to eat something raw. It can be fruit, it can be salad, it can be sprouted gram, anything. Eat and see. Throughout the day, the moment you start doing activity, you just observe your body, you experiment what is happening inside you. You will feel whatever cooked item or whatever cooked food that you're eating in the early morning, in your breakfast, you will see that your body tends to feel lethargic, your body tends to feel tired. But if you eat raw fruit, you will see there will be no tiredness. If you are a student, you can experiment with yourself and you will see the result. Don't believe me and don't go by what I say. Just experiment with yourself. Have some raw fruits and vegetable in the early morning in your breakfast. You will see if you are studying, the level of attention, the level of keenness, the level of vitality and the level of aliveness that you will get is completely different. And another reason why raw food is very important, because in your digestive system, the necessary enzyme that is required to digest food is not available itself in the digestive system or in your body. Fruit, vegetable or anything that is raw carries enzyme in it. Anything, any food or any item, if you cook once, if you heat it, if you cook it on a certain temperature, you are killing all the alive enzymes in it. The enzymes that will help in digestion, you are completely killing it by cooking. I am not denying you should not eat cooked food at all. What I am saying, at least one meal you should eat uncooked food if you are taking 3 meals a day. You will see the level of health and the level of activity, the level of energy in terms of attention, vibrancy and aliveness will be tremendous. You yourself will not believe how could this be possible. Now these days, the kind of food that we are eating, the kind of food habit that we have built up over a period of time in the name of modern trend is completely horrible, I would say, because the kind of food that we're eating, it is taking away energy from the body. It is not giving energy, and also it is making us unhealthy. If that is the nature of the food that you're eating, it is very important you should bring the consciousness as soon as possible. You can assume this is an urgent need that you have to shift. Again, I'm not saying that you should not eat cooked food at all. What I'm saying, at least one meal you should eat. In your life or in anybody else's life, if you notice about people, even people those who can afford, who are affluent, they don't even eat fruits once in a week. Though they can afford it, they don't eat it. It is simply ignorance. Fruit is the most suitable fuel, I would say, for the body, because anything that comes from the tree, I'm not talking about bush. Right now our staple diet is mostly wheat or rice. But if you are eating fruit, if you go back to the history of humanity or evolution, you will understand how important fruits are for the human body. But we have completely lost the sense, and we have to build it back, and we have to inculcate in people's mind what they're missing. And again, I'm telling, don't believe in my words. Don't go by what I say. You just experiment with yourself. You yourself will believe what is it? So right now I would like to request all of you, it is very urgent, you have to bring this change into your diet. So enjoy the bounty of nature. You can eat fruits and vegetables which is seasonal. Particularly I would like to emphasize fruits, because fruits are the most vital, suitable food or energy source for the body, for the human body especially. So at least twice or thrice in a week, if you eat any fruit which is seasonal. Seasonal means in every season there are different varieties of food available in India, though we are living in tropical region, and this is the bounty of nature that we are getting. But how many people are missing it? If you think and if you really see, you will see that this is a tragic, that so much magic is happening. The bounty of nature is so big, but we are missing this just because of our ignorance. So at least once bring a little sense in food and eat raw, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video.